everyone, welcome to DaryaCrochetLife. My name is Daria. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really beautiful, gorgeous roses. We will crochet them and it is really easy to do. Even a beginner could make such a beautiful flower. So in order to make such roses you will need yarn, crochet hook, scissors and a tapestry needle. That's it. So speaking about the yarn, I decided to take this loops and threads impeccable yarn. It is medium weight yarn and I will use 4.5 millimeter crochet hook for that. It's just because I don't have a 5 millimeter hook. If you have 5 millimeter, take that number. Yeah, that's it. So I will need scissors and tapestry needle. So first of all, you need to make your slip knot and make a foundation chain. If you don't know how to do that, please watch one of my last videos on how to do slip knots and single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, all that stuff. So first of all, we need to make a slip knot. So after making a slip knot, I need to make 41 chain. Alright, so I have 41 chain here. After that I need to make 4 extra chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I need to count 7 stitch from the hook. So this loop will not go into consideration. I will count only these braids. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I found this 7 stitch and I will insert my hook here. I need to remember this stitch. So what I'm making double crochet in that 7 stitch. Making yarn over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And insert my hook in the 7th chain, grab the working yarn. Now I have 3 loops on my hook, grab the working yarn, pull it through the 2 loops, grab the yarn and pull it through the 2 loops one more time. And here is my first double crochet. After that I need to make 1 chain. Look at the foundation chain. I will miss next chain and I will make double crochet in the 2nd chain from my double crochet. So I'm missing this first chain and I insert the hook in the next one and making double crochet here. After that you will have such big holes between our double crochets. And we continue the same way to the end of this row, making a chain, then missing 1 chain and insert our hook in the next chain and making double crochet. So I did chain and I need to make the last double crochet at the very first chain. And if you did everything right, you will have 20 big holes. That means that we'll have 20 petals, because we'll make 1 petal in each of the hole. In order to start our 2nd row, I need to make turning chain, turn my work, and now I will insert my hook right into this big hole. So I will explain you right now how to make a petal. I need to make one single crochet, then half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet. These 5 stitches create one petal. We need to make 90 more. I will show you one more time. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet. And you work the same way to the end of this row. And don't worry if your work become curving. So that's right, that's what we need to have at the end of that row. So now I have the last hole. I'm making single crochet here, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet. And in order to finish the work, I will make a slip knot. So I insert my hook right into the center, grab the yarn, and pull this loop, that yarn that I grabbed, through my loop, and pull it a little bit more. After that, I need to cut about 30-50 centimeters, and yeah. Then I will make this loop a little bit bigger, insert my fingers right into that loop, take this end and pull it through the loop and pull it off to the end. Yeah, here is what we should have right now. After that, I'm taking my tapestry needle, I'm starting with this end where I have a short end, and I'm starting rolling the rows like this. When we look at the back, we have layers, and make sure that all layers they are on the same level. I will show you what I mean right now. So all layers are at the same level, and here is the side of our rows, here is the front. Put petals the way you like. I think this is quite pretty. Don't take these center layers and don't make this shape, because after that you will lose the center. Make sure that all layers are on the same level. And after that we need to secure all these layers with our yarn. I will insert the tapestry needle and I will insert it through the all layers like this and pull it through the all layers. Then I need to make a couple more. when you're inserting your tapestry needle, make sure that you have all layers at the same level. I would like to secure this side, this petal, and I will make a couple more stitches here. Yeah, I like the result. And I will show you how to secure the end. So first of all, try to find some loop close to the yarn, and don't pull it to the end. Leave such loop, insert the tapestry needle right into that loop and make a knot that will secure your yarn. Nothing will happen to that. After that, we could insert our tapestry needle right into the center one more time, and then we could cut this end. Don't cut too close to the fabric, because you could cut the fabric. And we need to secure this end. I will use my crochet hook, the same that I used to make this rose. So I'm looking at this end and try to find some loop that is close to the end. Insert the hook there, grab that end and pull it through that loop. And I need to repeat these several more times till the end is gone. Don't leave a too small end, so nothing bad happen to your work. You could do it to the end of this end, but I will cut this yarn right here with this. And here is how you make such beautiful rose. So I used absolutely the same pattern for both of these roses, but I used different yarn. This is the yarn. This yarn is thicker, more bulky, so that's why this rose is bigger. So if you want to have bigger rose, try to use bigger yarn, more heavy yarn. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave me your question in the comments down below. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.